back to my channel. I know it has been quite a while since I haven't been here, but I got a few equipments and I said, why not do an unboxing? So I'm here to do an unboxing of my new ring light and tripod stands. Yeah, so let's get into the video. I do not plan to be here for long. Here's the box. I must say that I am really grateful for those who have been tuning into the channel. I really appreciate you guys, really. And this is the first box. Here we have the tripod. This is one of the tripods. Let's unbox and see what's going on. And I must say, these were packaged fairly good. Comes with a charger, which is really small. Comes with a remote. So here it comes with a remote. You can actually connect it to your device and take pictures. Oh, so this looks like it's for this because it has a charging port. So this looks like it's rechargeable. Here we have our phone mount. Let's see. Oh, so it's adjustable. So we screw here to extend it. That's nice. So we screw it to extend it to fit our device. I'm using my phone to record and the other phone is charging, but yeah, that's that. This, let's see how this tripod looks now. So it comes in a drawstring bag. Cool. Hello. So it's pretty small but big, and it's extendable. The material feels sturdy thus far. I'm not sure if it's because it's small, but the material does feel sturdy. Now it should be around about 18 inches and it extends. Here we have this adjustable handle where we can, you know, turn and get our 360. Right here we can adjust, fix and adjust. These actually came in it, just some airbags, I guess, for cushioning. So here we have it. Here's how inside the box looks. This tripod feels sturdy as well. You know, it's adjustable. It can extend up to about 63 inches as well. adjustable. So once I get up, I'll show you how high this extends. So we have here one, we have here another remote. So this is two accessories. We have here another accessory. So that's 3, 4. This is the phone holder. 5, 6, 7 pieces of accessories. That's nice. And here's the actual ring light. This should be 10 inches. I'm excited because, you know, your girl is gonna be giving you some videos, some little ass videos. So yeah, and we should definitely tell me what you think. Should we do more sit down videos where we just talk and just all a vibe? Alright, so we're going to get into the assembling aspect of the video, just to show you how everything works. I'm gonna relocate so I can show you what's going on. Okay, and here we have it extended. So if we should look on it from a door perspective, I'll definitely take a picture of that and show you guys. But we can also adjust this part, the base of it. So if we want it to come down all the way, or we want to get maximum height, we can go ahead and use this spindle here and lock it into place once we have adjusted it to the point where we want it. So loosen, as you can see, look closely. So it's in its loose position now. Right, still getting a little adjustment, and we can pull on it, or you can just loosen. So that is that. Let's just show the comparison to this one. So this one, the locking devices are at the base of it and not in the middle. So we're going straight ahead and unlock these fully right there, and we're just adjusting. I definitely have to be using one hand here. So once we get it to a point, then we can go ahead and start locking these in place. Right, you may be not seeing it because I am actually using one hand to hold the camera, which all of that will be gone in due time because girl is getting her equipment, right? So yeah, and we do that for all the locking points, and we can definitely go ahead, and this should be adjustable. Let's see. Ooh. Right here should be adjustable as well. Let's see. Right, see that? And as you saw in the box, I got these from Amazon. Alright, so guys, I'm super excited. This is it, and this is not all the accessories. So this is one accessory, two accessory here, and here we have the other accessories. We have a spare phone holder for the ring light here, and here we have this one. Alright, so this one now is adjustable 360, so you can have it this way, right? Put your phone in here. You can put your phone in like this, adjust and tighten, adjust and tighten here. So if you want this position, we'll just tighten right here. Yeah, let's test it out. Test the light. So on. Wow, that's bright. We should have 3 different modes. So that's 1, 2, nice, 3. All right, so let's, that seems to be the brightest. Take it down a notch. Right, we're Gucci, right? We can test it out. If we want as well, we can have another phone here and one here. So one device here, one device there, and this is just a clip on and clip off. So you can use it, or you may just not use it. So you can just clip it off, slide it right back on, and clip on, right? And that holds in place. And this middle piece here that you see released just now, it can actually be removed if the need arise. Getting the wrong slot. So if the need arise, you can definitely go ahead. This is so versatile. You can definitely go ahead and remove this part, but no need to right now. And you can clip it all the way to get maximum tightness. Alright, so you clip it all the way, and then you bring it back, clip it up and tighten. So your phone shouldn't move, and you know it's adjustable 360 all the way around, right? And yeah, this was definitely a good buy. I paid under $35, under $50 for both, and these are good quality, I must say. I don't regret buying these. I would recommend these to anyone right now. It's just the light. I'd expected the light to be a little bit bigger in diameter, but it can work. It can work. This little one that I had, this is a 6 inches ring light. It decided to stop work. I don't know if it's because I got a new one, but right here, if anyone knows or have ever had any experience with this, you can definitely talk to me in the comment section. I was trying to glue it, but it wasn't holding either way, so I'm not sure what's going on with it. But yeah, I'm so happy with this purchase. So we can get angles when we're doing our cooking videos and other videos, well illuminated and stuff like that. And yeah, How could I leave without showing you this? This has weight to it, right? So this is for like the more heavier duty devices. You just screw it on onto the correct part, and then you screw your device right here. All right, so firstly I must say this ball is a metal ball, so it's no plastic ball. And this thing here, metal. The only thing that feels plasticky is this part here, but the base, for the most part, that's going to be carrying most of the weight with this 360 ball, is heavy duty, trust me. And whichever position that you would want, you just loosen with this part here, this lever, just to show you a little bit closer. And then, so say for instance I want this angle, what I do is to just tighten, and I'll definitely show you what happens when we tighten. So I think that's tight enough. So this is it. So with force, you can see my vein standing up. So with force, and it's not moving, so it's locked in place. So it's locked in place right here. All right, if you want to move that, we just loosen and we're gonna lead. See, loosen, start moving again, right? Right now this is the only light that is on, so let me turn on the lights. The ring light here go on with itself. The ring light make it feel like I don't need the light and I just ceiling again. Our truth. And that's the brightest. Let's go down. So that's the lowest, and the light is off, right? And that's the lowest on that mode. Let's change the mode. That's the lowest on that mode. Change the mode, that's the lowest, and let's take it up a notch again. In that mode, that's the highest. Change mode. Change mode. So we'll have good lighting when we're renovating and paint up the place. Nice. I must say, hands down, the video quality superb, much better. I'm actually using the front camera to record this part of the video, and I tell you, it'll show everything, all the blemishes, everything. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more exceptional content and exciting videos. Please, before you leave, where are you going? Where are you going? Please, don't leave without subscribing. If you're not subscribed, don't leave without subscribing. If you have subscribed already, we are going to like the video yet. Like up the video, man. Share it out. Share me out before you leave. Share me out. Stay tuned. Make sure so when you subscribe, you have your post notifications on. Right? Yeah. Bye.